Forces show answer extra and intracellular digestion. B. Sexual reproduction only. And C. Bioluminescence. Next question, which is correct about cyclotomes? Answer ectoparasites on fishes during their adult stage. Next question, one example of animals having a single opening to the outside that serves both as mouth as well as arms is answer Phasocilla. Next question, members of Phenophages are answer Ectocorpus, Dactylotra, Focus, and Sarganums. Next question, example of Stenophores is answer Pleurobackia and B. Centoplana. Next question, diplontic life cycle is seen in answer angiosperm and gymnosperm. B. Spermatophytes. Next question, the crocodile and penguins are similar to whale and dogfish in which one of the following feature? Answer have gill slits at some stage. Question, which organism possess cartilaginous cranium, vertebral column, closed type of circulatory system which helps them migrate to fresh water for swimming? Answer petromyzon. Next question, air bladders are shown by answer focus. Next question, body bears 8 external row of ciliated comb plates present in phylum dash. Answer Centophora. Next question, volvox spongiria Clamodomons come under answer haplonotic life cycle. Next question, which are marine but migrate for swimming to fresh water after swimming within a few days they die. Their larvae after metamorphosis return to ocean. Specify the correct one. Answer Pentromophyzon and B Myxgene. Next question, how many of the following algae belongs to the category of red algae? Answer these are 3 algae belong to category of red algae. Question, in haplonotic life cycle the sporophyte generation is seen by answer jagat. Next question, which are characters of psychostomata? Answer 6 to 15 pairs of gills slits is present for repression. B sucking and circular mouth without jaws. And C body is divided of scale and paired fins. Next question, the most primitive chordates and are ectopterists on fishes belong to the class. Answer Cyclotasma. Next question, fronds are found in which algae? Answer Laminaria, Focus, Dictotia. Next question, the following feature belong to which film? Answer the following feature belong to Centophora. Next question, in haplonotic life cycle the zygotes divide by answer mitosis. Question, haploid spore divides by dash to form haploid plant body. Answer mitosis. Next question, all living members of which class is ectoparasite on fishes? Answer cyclostoma. Next question, dash reproduction is shown by the members of rhodiopace. Answer oogems. Next question, centophores are commonly known as answer sea walnut and comb jellies. Next question, select the correct statement from the following. Answer collineatrates have tentacles and bear cyanodoblast. 2. Stenophores are marine animals with complex. Third, Andirials are mammalian segment animals with a true column. Next, the Echinoderms possess water vascular system. And fifth, hemichordates are a small group of worm-like marine animal characterized by cylindrical body with proboscis, collar and trunk.